Hi, I'm Jennifer Kale, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to clean and maintain your oven. Now it's time to move on to our oven. If you're lucky enough to have a self-cleaning oven, then you won't have to worry as much about some of your really bad, messy spills at the bottom of the oven. However, you still need to clean out the rest of it and make sure that you remove your racks. One thing to be aware of when you use your self-cleaning cycle on your oven, it's going to take several hours, and if you have too much food in there, it's going to create smells, and you might also have some smoke coming out. So you want to make sure to do this when you can open up your kitchen and have some good ventilation. Otherwise, you could be in for several hours of unpleasantness and potential fire alarms going off. So for a self-cleaning oven, you want to make sure to remove your racks. And you just want to wipe down the inside of your oven, get up any large crumbs of food, because you don't want to have too much of it carbonizing while you have it on the cycle.